mask, your cylinder, and your backplate assembly. So I will no longer reiterate parts by parts since I do believe that this is already taken up on your online session, correct? So I would be focusing on the donning methods kasi this is the important part. Paano natin siya isusuot, right? So talking about it, meron tayong 5 donning methods. We have jacket and coat swing, overhead, off the wall, man assist, direct transfer. Now if you talk about man assist and direct transfer, no, hindi ko na bibigyan ng emphasis tong donning method na to. Bakit? Kasi on that particular donning method, you have a partner helping you out. No? So kahit di na natin demo yan, may tutulong sa'yo eh. Tama?
Yes,
So
sir.
huwag na natin pansinin yan. So let's focus on the 3 remaining donning methods as these are individual ways of donning. Yes, sige. Which is very important. Why? Kasi baka walang makatulong sa'yo. Kailangan kahit mag-isa ka kaya mo isuot. Diba? So now, hindi pwedeng kung ano lang yung gusto mong gamitin dun sa natitirang donning methods na yun, yun na ang gagamitin. There should be basis. There should be conditions, no, para malaman mo kung ano gagamitin mo dun. So sige nga, may idea ba kung ano yung magiging basis mo for you to know whether it's overhead, off the wall, or jacket? Wala? Yung place? Pwede? Kasi you're talking about the space, di ba? Kung narrow yan or wide. Okay? So, ang basis po natin, sir ma'am, is your stowage. Anong meaning ng stowage? Kung saan siya nakalagay or paano siya nakalagay. Di ba? Sige nga, bakit ko nasabi yan? If you're talking about off-the-wall donning method, sige nga, saan nakastow yung iyong SCBA? Saan po? Sabi off-the-wall. Saan po?
Nakasabit.
Nakasabit, nakamount, no? So this could be inside your fire lockers. Would you agree? No? So nakasabit siya kasi kailangan ready for use na siya in case of fire on board ship, di ba? Now, pag sinabi mong overhead, yan yung nakaluhod ka, dadaan sa ulo mo yung SCBA. Now, tell me, kung nakaluhod ka, saan mo kinuha yung BA? Yan. So it could be on a box, nilapag mo, or maaaring dala yan ng crew as extra, naubusan ka, lumabas ka, nagpalit ka, dun mo kinuha sa sahig. Sa fire scene yan. Diba? Now, syempre, dun pa lang, diba? Hindi ka pwede mag-off the wall kung nasa sahig yung BA mo. Common sense lang yan. Tama? Okay, now, if you would say jacket and coat swing, paano ba natin ginagawa yan? Coat swing, naka-cross yung kamay mo. Pag lift mo ng SCBA, swing mo siya ng ganyan. Now, mind you, hindi mo pwedeng gawin yan kung meron kang mga katabi. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So that is why meron tayo jacket. So jacket or coat swinging, di ba? So yung jacket paano ba? You'll just have to upright the SCBA at kayo po yung mag-rotate papunta dun sa SCBA. Which is the safest way you would don an SCBA. Now, how would you know kung yun ang dapat mong gamitin? Your SCBA is lying on top of an elevated pavement or table. So for as long as elevated yan, yun ang gagawin yung donning method. Malinaw po ba? Now, okay, so now, ang ipapakita natin sa inyo is of course the safest way, jacket method, and it will be demonstrated by my partner, Mr. Violeta. Okay? So again, questions will be entertained afterwards. First thing that you have to do in donning your SCBA is you'll have to check the gauge. Making sure na may reading siya. Kaso, wala. Which means, sarado pa yung SCBA mo. So this is where we will open up your SCBA cylinder valve. Bubuksan natin ito. Now, normally, you will go back to checking your gauge kasi meron tayong minimum pressure requirement on board ship. No? But, please know that most of the time, cylinders now has their own gauges. No? So, meaning, kinuha mo pa lang siya sa stowage, alam mo nang nasa minimum pressure requirement ka. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
So, the purpose of checking back the gauge would be to make sure that your gauge works. No? Kasi pag di gumana yun, papatayin ka. Okay? So, gumana siya. May reading na tayo. So, PSI yung gamit namin. So, you will be seeing 10, 20, 30. Then, multiply mo yan into 100 PSI. So, which makes it 1,000, 2,000, and 3,000 PSI. Okay? So, now, next thing is to hang the mask into your neck. Then, grab the left and right shoulder strap. But do not carry the set yet. Sabi natin, i-upright mo lang. Now, paano ang upright? Yung cylinder head nasa baba. Huh? Now, how would you know which arm would you slide in first? Any idea? Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Right? What's your basis? So, that would be your dominant? That's your basis, dominant or non-dominant. So, ito, let me just straighten up the confusion. No? So, nakikita nyo to?
Face mask.
This is your low pressure hose connected on your face masks. Now, nasaan siya? Right side? Nasa left siya. Now, what would happen pag inuna mo yung kanan today? Bubuhol siya, di ba? So, ito po yung basis nyo. Kung nasaan yung low pressure hose, yun ang uunahin mong arm. Why would I say this? Kasi as per brand or make and model, maaring tong hose na to ay nasa kanan. Pwedeng nasa kaliwa. You get the point? So now, anong arm ang uunahin natin? Left. Okay. Then right. Okay, so this is when you will carry the SCBA set as soon as both of the arms are inside the straps. Now stand 1 foot forward. Now pull the shoulder strap downward to tighten. Then you have this safety belts natin, and then you'll have to tighten them up. Okay, then all dangling ends shall be secured. Wala po dapat nakalaylay dyan as pwede po yung maipit sa mga watertight doors o iba-ibang klase natin pinto on board ship. Okay? Then, ready ka na para sa face mask mo. So normally, ang ginagawa ng iba, tiniturn out yung strap sa unahan. So hindi natin tinuturo yun. So ang gagawin natin, you'll be handling it on your head straps, then slide it as if you're wearing a ball cap. Ganun lang po kasimple. Di ba? Then, push the mask with one hand. Oh, so yung head straps natin should be landing at the lower back of the head. Kasi pag dito yan, pwedeng dumulas yan. No? Then, push the mask with one hand. Para saan yan? Para magkaroon ng seal. And then, how would you activate it? Use your mouth. Ganun lang po. Suck air through the mouth. Kasi hindi kaya po ng ilong i-activate yan. No? Your nose are weak. Hindi niya kaya i-activate. So, bibig gagamitin mo. Ganun po. Okay? Now, once activated na siya, you will have to normally breathe using your nose. Okay? And then, tighten up the straps. By pulling the straps towards the back of the head, kasi pag side, hindi higpit yan. Then, saan nyo siya nakita nag-start? Saan? Sa lower portion. Ha? Okay, then pataas. So, some of you may be using 5-point head straps, 2-point head straps. So, kailangan pa rin, sa baba pa rin magsimula. Okay? So, that's it. That's less than 2 minutes. Any questions so far? None? Okay, so in undoning, ladies and gentlemen, there's no time requirement. All you have to do is just reverse the procedure. So, last na ginawa natin was to tighten up the straps. So, ang gagawin natin as the first in undoning is we'll have to loosen the strap. So, remember, push the mask with one hand. Kasi pag luwag mo niyan, sisirit yung hangin. Sayang, di ba? So, push the mask, then tap the buckles towards your face. Or you could just simply pull it. Pwede mong hilahin na lang. Di ba? Then, just right before you remove the mask, you'll have to cut the supply of air. So this time, merong reset button. Now, on this make and model, ito yung reset button niya. Nasa ibabaw. Press. Okay, and then remove. Okay, but still, keep the mask hanging. Then remove your waistband. Loosen them, sorry.
Reciprocal, ha? Nakita nyo?
Then, disconnect. Alright, and then you'll have to